Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make easy no-bake canapes. They're great for parties, really simple to put together, and you can use pre-made pastry cases. The first thing we're going to do is make the filling. So add about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese to the zest of 1 to 2 lemons and the juice of just 1 lemon. Add a couple of tablespoons of sifted icing sugar and using a spatula just mix that until it's smooth. And whilst you're doing that, in a stand mixer, whisk about 150 millilitres of double cream until you get to soft peaks. Once you've whisked your cream, just gently fold that into your cream cheese mixture, but don't stir it because you're trying not to deflate the air. I'm using pre-made pastry cases, but you could of course just make your own. I have a link in the description box below to my pastry recipe that I absolutely love, so you could just make that in advance. Pipe the cream cheese mixture into the pastry cases, but be careful not to overfill them. You can decorate them with whatever you like, but I'm using some desiccated coconut on mine. I've also washed and dried my blueberries, and I'm using kitchen paper to blot them dry because it's really important with the blueberries and the raspberries I'm using that they are really dry. You can, if you want to, glaze your fruit by putting about 2 tablespoons of sugar into about 1 cup of water or 250 millilitres over a stove until it bubbles and the sugar dissolves. You could alternatively use apricot jam, just put that in the microwave or over a stove till it's warm, sieve it, and you can use that as a glaze as well. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Making chocolate cups next, so please check it out. Thanks very much for watching.